on, Joy fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your Joy Boy back at it again. Guys, we have a very different video today. If you noticed, we are at McDonald's right now, and this video we are going to buy a bunch of McDonald's food and we're gonna put it in my claw machine and see if we can win it. We're literally gonna drop about a few hundred dollars on food and just fill the whole machine up with burgers, fries, nuggets, you guys name it. We want to start doing different videos, so I thought this one would be a really fun one to try. So let's go in and buy a bunch of McDonald's food. So we're just gonna get a little bit of everything. Everyone loves the McDonald's cheeseburger. Let's get 20, guys. That's $23. Add that to our order. Like, everyone loves the hot and spicy. Let's get 10 of those.
5 would be good.
There we go.
No,
there we go. Add that to our order. Guys, we need a lot of chicken nuggets. I think we should get 100 nuggets. So add that to our order. $90 right now. That's crazy. All right. Guys, I'm gonna raise the budget. I had about $100, but I'm gonna raise it to $150. We got 8 large fries, guys. We're gonna add that to our order. Yeah, let's see if it, oh, there you go. Wow, check this out.
Thank you.
Let's look at the receipt just to show them. Look at that total, $141. I'm currently inside the playhouse. I don't want to catch any diseases. This play place is whack. Hey, we got free drinks. It's kind of the least they could do, honestly. All right, we got the food, guys. They gave us a giant cardboard box to put it in, which is great. We got so much food. This is insane, guys. This is like 20 pounds at least. This is actually pretty heavy right now. So we're about to put this in the car, go home and claw all of this. Yeah, we're gonna play with it, claw it, see if we can win it. And then after we'll reward ourselves with a big tasty meal. We are back at the house, back at the machine, and check all this food out. So we got so much food here, guys, and we're gonna pour it all in this machine and see if we can win it. Oh, that's perfect. Oh my God, I grabbed its buns. All right, Joy fam, the time has come. We've put the McDonald's in the machine. We've got the machine on free play. We're gonna try to win as much McDonald's as we can. And if we do, we have to eat it. All right, this Big Mac over here is looking pretty tasty.
Pretty tasty.
It'd be a shame if someone clawed it. All right, here we go. Oh, that's perfect. Oh my God, I grabbed its buns. Oh my God, first try, guys.
It's gonna
Wait,
fall,
stay in there, stay in there. Oh my God, my buns dropped.
My bun.
Whatever your diabetes desires.
Okay.
That is looking pretty good.
Am I far away?
Oh
Dang,
my gosh. Hot and spicy. It is looking pretty spicy. Oh yes, hot and spicy.
Right
Let's go. Come on, baby. Stay in there. Daddy's hungry. Yup, we got it.
Alright, you gotta eat that.
Our first prize is a hot and spicy sandwich. Oh!
Now you gotta eat that.
Oh, it fell. Okay. Alright, he's going for the cheeseburger.
I got the cheeseburger.
God, got the cheeseburger.
And a fry in it. A fry on it.
And a fry. Oh, just kidding. Psych. You did not win the cheeseburger.
Man? Come on, I'm hungry.
Oh,
that's perfect.
Oh my God. Oh, there goes the meat patty. This is like just cringy, guys. It's a new kind of cringe that
let me try.
Isn't quite explainable. I might have to use the swingy dingy. Oh, perfect.
I think that you got it.
Oh my God, we got a Happy Meal. No way.
Happy Meal. What?
We got that whole thing.
Oh, it's falling down. Oh, no,
yes,
you got it.
We got it. Oh, I love Happy Meals. All right, now this I'll eat because it's actually in a box. Yes, let's go. I haven't eaten a Happy Meal in years. We got little baby hamburger. Everything is mini, which is kind of cool.
I get a Happy Meal.
I love apple slices, especially when they've been dipped in chemicals.
Told you.
There we go.
You get a Happy Meal, I get a Happy Meal.
I guess we're both happy. Let's go for this cheeseburger right here. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, stop the Happy Meal. Man, that did not make me happy. All right, let's try that. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, almost by the buns. Oh my god, there's a black bee in the garage. Oh gosh, that was, oh my god. That was crazy, I almost died right there. All right, here we go. Come on, can I, oh my god, the sauce. Oh, it's too much sauce. I'm gonna go for the lady right here. Her name's Patty. Patty and buns. Oh, come on, right there. Oh man. All right, come on, baby. There we go. Oh my god. I'm going back for this chicken sandwich. Can we win it? Come on, there it is. Oh my god, I got it. Oh, this cheeseburger over here. Looking thick. Oh yes, that should have it. There we go. There we go. We got another cheeseburger. Staying. Oh my gosh, it just dropped it. That almost diabetes. Come on, right there. Oh, perfect. That should have it. There we go. We pinched the buns just right. Staying there. Oh my gosh, guys, it keeps on dropping. What the heck? I'm not gonna just let this go. There we go. There we go. Come on, please stay in there. I want you. Yes, come on, just make it over. All right, we got it. All right, let's try right there. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh man, we got the box though. But all our food and toys just fell out. Doesn't make me very happy. Oh, there we go. That might have it. Oh my god, we got a 2-in-1 with the bun and the toy. No way. Oh, just the toy, I guess. But hey, that's what I was going for, so. We got the one thing that isn't food that's in here. I'm gonna go for those pickles right there. Those are some tasty looking pickles. Oh, that might have it. Oh, too saucy. We're gonna go for this, oh, sandwich right here. Come on. Oh my god, we flipped it over. Big Macs are a little heavier and harder to win, but there we go. That might have it. Come on. Oh, there we go. We got it. Big Mac, or at least half of it. Oh my god, it's like slowly coming apart. Oh gosh. That is unfortunate. Going for the Big Mac. Big Mac for a big boy. Oh my god, it's Bun's fault. It's like I can only win certain ingredients from the sandwiches, whether it be pickles, buns, or meats, you know? Come on, grab her by the buns. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, we got the buns and some fries. No way. Oh, that spoke too soon. Well, probably can get it now. I'm just gonna go for just this one bun. It's all by itself, and I don't want it to be. Oh, there we go. Now, will it stay though? See, it just flings my buns like that. I really don't appreciate that, sir. I'm gonna go for this meat and buns combo going on here. I really do believe in it, and I think I can grab it if I'm, oh my god, it didn't even do anything. Someone left their meat out. I'm just gonna go for this patty right, oh my god, ew. That's gross. All right, let's try right there. Oh my gosh, it's flipping my patties around like, it doesn't even matter, okay? And you know what? It does matter. Every patty matters. I speak for all the patties when I say this because I identify as a patty. The traffic is just horrendous. It's like, I can't find any homeless people. I don't know where they all went. And are you hungry by chance? There's a few hamburgers in there. Yeah, no problem. Alright guys, that is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a very new concept that I wasn't sure if it was entertaining or not, so let me know in the comments down below, guys. Subscribe now for future giveaways. Links are in the description as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.